Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract any zip file without installing any third-party software like WinZip, WinRAR or some other software or plugins in Microsoft Windows 11. So let's see how we can do this thing. Here on my screen you are seeing Unzip file is there. It has the extension .zip, and if you are moving your cursor over there you will see this is a compressed or zip folder. Now here I will show you how you can extract it. In Windows 11, you don't need to install any third-party software or plugins like WinZip or WinRAR like that. So what you need to do to extract this file? To extract this type of file, you just move your cursor over there and then right click over there. And it will bring a nice list of menu items. So from here we have to choose extract all this item from this menu items. So I am going to click here, extract all, and then it will bring this type of window. Here it is asking to put the location where it will be extracted. You can either put this location. By default, it will show you the current folder location is the default path for extraction folder or files. But if you want to change it, you can either type it here or you can press the browse button and choose the location where you want to put that this extraction files. So I'm going to cancel it because the default location is fine, which is the current location, because it will be easier to access. And there is a checkbox, show extracted files when complete. If you click here, it will be checked, and if you unclick, it will be unchecked. So what is this line is meaning? So this line means basically, so here once your extraction is done, it will open the extraction files and folders in a new window. That is the thing it is showing, but I'm not going to interested this one to check in. So I unchecked it, and after that we just need to press this extract button, and after the extraction you will see this file location, it has been extracted. So just click here, extract, and wait for the magic, and here you will see that the extraction is completed, and here it is showing the extraction folder and files. And if you move your cursor over there, you will not see like that type of message like which is compressed or something like that. Before that you are seeing that compressed zip folder like that, but now it is not showing. So if we double click, we can access it, and here we are seeing all the files and folders which has been extracted. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily extract the zip files and folders, everything in Windows 11 without installing any third-party software or plugins. Thank you guys for watching the video.